Hello students, welcome of your presentation and next day I am also in front of you with some problems and the syllabus materials, but the last day and the further all the last classes you have to study bettermost, and your preparation is also very attractive, that affect me about the class. Today I am on the board taking the chemistry of matter mole concept. Mole is the heap of matters that explain about a group of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles, atom, molecules or ion of a substance is called a mole of that substance. As you know, 1 mole of atom equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Here 1 mole of atom equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, that explain about the mole is the heap of atoms. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को जब एक जगह जमा की जाती है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि उस ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्सटेंस का यह मोल है. मोल इज आल्सो a unit that qualify about the weight of a compound equal to the mass, molecular mass in grams. Hence 1 mole of molecules is also equal to this number 6.2322 into 10 to the power 23 moles. Hence 1 mole of molecules equal to this 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 mole. Therefore, we can also define the mole concept or mole. Mole is the link between the mass of atom or molecules and the number of atoms or molecules Mole Hence, collectively, we can define the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is define the collection of the matter or substance such as atoms, molecules and ions that carry this number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Hence, 1 mole of a substance is also the Avogadro's number. Therefore, 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. N here, N equal to Avogadro's number. Therefore, we come to many of examples about the mole and their concept. One mole of oxygen equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen. One mole of H equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atom. Two mole of hydrogen gas that is 2H2 equal to as per 2 gram that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 1 mole of Na 1 mole of Na atom equal to 23 gram equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 sodium atom. Therefore 1 mole of atom is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 and gram atomic mass equal to 6.023 atoms 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. In this way we get concept about the mole. Hence mole is the group of atoms, group of molecules, group of ion, group of Avogadro's number and 1 mole of carbon dioxide equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide equal to 2.4. According to concept of molecules, we also know about the mole of a substance is that amount of substance which contain same number of particles of atoms, molecules and ions. As there are carbon atom is 12 gram of carbon 12 element, it means 12 gram of carbon contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Thus we come to know about 1 mole of atom equal to gram atomic mass. 1 mole of atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms and gram atomic mass equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. According to the definition of mole and their concept, we come to conclusion about a mole is represented an Avogadro's number of particles of a substance. These particles may be atom, molecules and ions. According to Avogadro, who honor the number of particles, atoms, molecules, ions. Hence, 1 mole of substance is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is also known as Avogadro's number. Now, the class according to concept of mole is never be finished until we get some of the chemical numericals problems. Now